How to fix Google Maps not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Maps not working easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find the maps. Click on it and then go to storage, clear cache, and then clear data if you want, and then click OK, and then go to permissions and enable allow location. Click on it and click allow, and then just go back, go to settings again, and then battery, and disable power saver mode. Now just restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.